Hi everybody, this is Judy at Judy in the Kitchen. Today we're talking about Brussels sprouts, and I have a list of suggested food and flavor combinations that are known to go well with Brussels sprouts. So if you're looking for some meal ideas for some extra Brussels sprouts that you have, or some new recipe ideas, hopefully this will give you some help. Now this list is long. I've broken it into two parts. This is part one. Stay tuned for part two. Combine Brussels sprouts with almonds and orange juice, Brussels sprouts with apples and goat cheese and hazelnuts, Brussels sprouts with breadcrumbs and hard-boiled eggs and a little lemon and parsley, Brussels sprouts with buckwheat and mushrooms, Brussels sprouts with caraway seeds and mustard, Brussels sprouts with caraway seeds and orange, Brussels sprouts with cauliflower, garlic, olive oil, and rosemary, Brussels sprouts with chestnuts and maple syrup, Brussels sprouts with chili pepper flakes, garlic, and shallots, Brussels sprouts with cream, nutmeg, and Parmesan cheese. Well, I do hope this helps to give you some new ideas. This is Judy at Judy in the Kitchen. Bye for now.